chemistry, this problem was almost always solved in sort of a differential manner by writing equilibrium constants between the phases and then calculating the equilibrium balance.
You're just sort of replacing certain cations in these large sites, but it is not that simple. But in any case, this is the current model that is implemented in melts.
Seawater is drastically out of equilibrium with more, which in my model has these components. And so the fluid, as it heats up, we get near some magma lens on axes. The fluid heats up.
But the very interesting thing we found with calculating oxygen fugacity for these mid-ocean ridge granitites is that the vast majority of the heterogeneity is occurring at high probe numbers.
The idea of a lunar magma ocean came basically right after the Apollo 11 mission landed. A few people looked at fragments.
We can have correlated state and compositional uncertainties. So, for example, we can have uncertainties in pressure and temperature. Those aren't normally correlated, but they can be correlated, especially if we're using a specific standard equation of state.
The problem that you would want to solve with that. So what I'm interested in is looking at the ultra-low velocity zones at the base of the mantle, and I will talk about this now.
Not actually using the pressure and temperature from any of the global pseudo subocean zone. I'm just running through, okay, let's say I have a temperature from 0 to 1500.
If you ask Berman for the database, you get this file, right, which has 3 more significant digits than what he published.
Right.
And they're really important
that
because if you just start playing underflow games with low precision coefficients in here, these things, this is an issue that is, and particularly the scaling problems. If this is in orders of thousands and P is in hundreds of, there's
kind of disequilibrium framework. And this needs various pieces. So once we've got our database, which we really need, obviously.
Four papers beyond that. And so that means that we finished around 60 total papers. So 60 or 70 papers.
Went over about 10 reactions. Wow. Yeah, that paper is right here.
Like that. Now, this time around, we're discussing in this acknowledgement section what is represented by the data statement and what you're accessing. It doesn't have to just be the data. It doesn't have to just be the input or the output.
Okay, here's one more.
Man, you are a grammar Nazi.